guys, heading to my first job. Yesterday, I made $830 cleaning carpets, working a total of 3 hours by myself. Listen guys, this type of money is possible in carpet cleaning.
What's up YouTube, Tommy here from Green Rhino. I've been documenting my journey on this channel from a part-time hustle as a machinist to operating a very successful cleaning company. My goal is to show you what I was looking for when I was starting out, sharing the cleaning solutions I use, the equipment, so I can help others thinking about getting into the cleaning industry. And maybe, just maybe, I'm gonna make that first step. It can change your life like it did me. Don't worry industry, I'm not trying to be the know-it-all carpet cleaning, but I am trying to be an example of what could be.
There is techniques, there are ways to increase your revenue that are really simple. And although I've learned a lot from other people in the industry, as far as carpet cleaning techniques, this and that and this, I kind of came up with my pricing, and I don't even like to say upsell, but it is in a way that's really simple, really effective, and it can bring your average job ticket from $100 to $250 an hour by just implementing a few simple steps. About half of my jobs are, I'd say average about $250 an hour. $2 to $250 an hour. I say $2 to $250 an hour because if you want to break it down like that, deers, you gotta be careful. And just find out how long it took you, how much the ticket was. But I went from starting out in this business with a job average of about $125 to now a job average to about close to $300. This is stuff that I've learned, this is stuff that I've implemented, and this is stuff I share in my course. I share a lot of it with you guys online, on YouTube, you know, but there's only so much I can do, you know. There's a lot of content I'm trying to share, but you know, this stuff is golden. So if somebody was to tell you, look, you pay me $125 and I'll tell you how to increase your job value almost twice what it is now, would you pay that $125 when you know you probably make that $125 in your first job or first 2 jobs just by implementing what this person is sharing with you? Well, I've just started doing coaching, so I'm doing phone consultations now. So if you guys want to get a whole bunch of questions answered, me run down some things for the people that are already in the business but just want to increase their job tickets, I'm going to start putting a link below all my videos, and we can get on the phone. You can shoot some questions, half hour. This thing costs you $125. If you can't invest $125 into your business, and you're already doing something wrong. Okay, we pay for knowledge, or we either pay for knowledge through experience, which could take a long time, or we pay for knowledge that we can get instantly.
Turn right onto
I get a lot of questions, and people want me to get really detailed on the comment section underneath the videos, but it's hard. But I just can't talk to everybody all the time either. So I need to talk to people that are really serious and want to take me serious, because proof is in the pudding. All right, I'm gonna get to my job. Real quick, guys, if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course. Down below all my videos, there's a link. Not just the technical side of it, but the business side of it. How to get those customers to call you. Also, the tools I let him use, down below also. Now back to the video.
Beautiful home, practically new carpet. No need to bring out the CRV. Just some areas, like this is the worst area of the whole place. So get one of these things, about 15 bucks at Home Depot or Lowe's. That's all you need. If you're starting out in this business and you don't have the money for the expensive CRVs or automatic scrubbing machines, a little manual labor will get the job done. So you can just go around to the spots that need it. Now if this was really bad and this is all you had, then definitely use it. So like I was saying, the carpet's brand new condition, it even smells new. They're just selling it and they want to get it freshened up. So that's what it is. So I'm not going to show too much, but I'm going to show the ticket right here. This is going to take me hour and 15 minutes total. Alright, and I'm working by myself. That's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.